6 Health Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar, backed by science. May improve heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors can affect your risk for heart disease. A 2020 review of studies in both humans and animals noted that apple cider vinegar may potentially benefit levels of high density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein, triglycerides, and total cholesterol. A 2021 review of research in humans found that apple cider vinegar may benefit total cholesterol levels. May boost skin health. Some people use apple cider vinegar as a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic, but it may be less acidic in people with eczema. Using diluted topical apple cider vinegar topically may help rebalance the skin's natural pH, improving the protective skin barrier. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar to the skin, as it can cause burns. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to eating fewer calories and losing weight. One review of research noted that in short-term studies when participants consumed apple cider vinegar with a meal containing solid foods, they experienced appetite suppression for 120 minutes after the meal. They also snacked less for 3 to 24 hours after consuming the apple cider vinegar. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. From keeping their blood sugar levels in the typical range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including some strains of bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is also a food preservative. Research shows it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food.